Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. And today is Friday. Happy Friday. It's January 24th. We got a couple items here on the economic calendar here today. And those are the IHS Market Manufacturing PMI and their Services PMI. So we'll start off with the manufacturing. On these indexes, anything at 50 or above is considered expansion or optimism. Anything below is contraction or a little pessimism. So in this case, as you can see, they're all at least in expansion territory, but not far up. So in December for the manufacturing, we're up 52.4. However, it did slide a little bit down to 51.7. On the other side, the services industry went upwards, went from 52.8 up to 53.2. So a little mixed baggage right there from what we're seeing in economic data. This week, as you may have, if you've been watching my videos, it's been a pretty light week, but next week we'll get a lot more data coming in. We'll have a lot more housing data coming in. We'll get the Fed's favorite gauge for inflation, which is the PCE, and a lot other data will be coming in. So we'll see a lot busier week in terms of data being reported here. Today we got stocks are up. They're kind of shrugging off the news from the coronavirus, even though it has expanded. The death toll is up to about 20. I think it said 26 or 27 now in China. We obviously feel bad for anyone who lose their lives in these scenarios, and hopefully they get contained. But in any case, today they're shrugging it off and looking at corporate earnings. We're getting a couple of decent reports out there from people like Intel and American Express that reported pretty decent earnings, and investors are happy with it. So for the most part, it's looking like it's about average. They're saying about 65% are exceeding and 20% or below in that range. It's kind of pretty close to being about the average, what we're looking at. So let's see how this is playing on the bond market. Bond market's up. We're up currently about 5 basis points. We're fighting about this ceiling of resistance. It made some headway yesterday. It pushed, but it pulled back at the very end. Today we're about the same level, so that's why I'm going to say rates are unchanged from where we were yesterday. Um, but it could potentially, once we break above it and stay above it, a nice convincing move above it, we could see a nice little boost continue to rise here. But again, it's so rates are coming unchanged, but we're currently trying to stay above this level here, and if we can get above it, it will help improve mortgage rates. Same thing here. We're down to about 1.7. We'll round up to a 0.72 because it's 1.717 or something like that. So we're down further, and this is helping us out again. We got a wide range. Next floor down here is, as you can see, is the 1.67. So that's our next floor of support for yields, and that could, if it drops way down to 1.67, that could give us a nice boost for mortgage rates. A little help there. All right, so again, mortgage rates today so far are unchanged. As the day progresses, things could change, but so far it's unchanged and looking pretty good. We are, if you guys are in California and looking to buy or refinance, I'd love to hear from you guys. Please reach out. The best way to reach me, just check on the red down there. Either direct message me or email me. Email is the fastest way. I respond. I get those much quicker, so I can respond quicker. But I do respond to both. And again, we do have solutions for all sorts of scenarios, from helping self-employed borrowers to helping first-time home buyers to helping real estate investors. We help them plan out a lot of these rather than just being your place to come and get the loan. We actually help you plan these things out so that we can optimize what you're looking to do. So again, just reach out and let's talk. You guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. We'll catch you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.